Driving anxiety. It's real and it happens to a lot of us. Let's be real for a second. Driving can feel scary. Maybe it's the thought of merging on a freeway. Maybe it's pulling into a crowded parking lot. Maybe you had a close call or even an accident. Whatever the reason, if you feel nervous about driving, you're not weird. You're human.
Why it happens. Anxiety behind the wheel can come from a few places. You were in a crash or saw one. You worry about losing control. You feel pressure from parents or other drivers. You're still learning and it's overwhelming. Sometimes the stress is just part of being new to driving. But when it doesn't go away or it keeps you from driving altogether, it's something worth looking at.
Mild nerves versus full-on fear. It's normal to feel a bit tense when you first start out. You might not love busy traffic or tight parking spots. That's totally okay. But for some, that nervousness can turn into something bigger. You avoid driving certain places, freeways, bridges, U-turns. You only drive short, super familiar routes. You feel sick just thinking about driving. You skip out on stuff, school, work, plans, to avoid getting in the car. Some teens even refuse to drive at all after a scary moment, and that's a sign they might need help.
When parents make it worse. Not all anxiety comes from the road. Sometimes the stress is sitting next to you, let's be honest. Parents yelling instructions or criticizing every move doesn't help. It can make you feel more anxious before the car even moves. If driving lessons with your parent are causing tension, it's totally okay to ask for a professional instructor instead.
What you can do to take control. Here are some small things you can start doing now to build confidence and lower stress. Start small. Begin in empty parking lots or quiet streets. Don't jump straight to freeway madness. Chill out while driving. Play calming music. Take deep breaths. Try grounding tricks, like the 5-4-3-2-1 method. Name 5 things you see. Car fragrances can play a role in altering one's mood. Lavender is generally considered the most calming scent, with a history of use for promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Other popular calming scents include chamomile, bergamot, and ylang-ylang. Vanilla and amber also have relaxing properties.
Learn from someone calm. A driving school or instructor who knows how to work with nervous drivers can make a big difference. It's not just you. Avoid stressy situations. Try driving at non-peak hours when the roads are less crowded. It helps. Know your car. The more familiar you are with how your car works, mirrors, blinkers, gear shifts, the less overwhelming things will feel.
Face the fear. A little at a time. Don't force yourself into terrifying situations, but don't avoid everything forever either. Try one small step at a time, like driving at night or taking the freeway during quiet hours. When to get help. If it's been months or even a year, and you're still avoiding driving or having panic attacks, it might be time to talk to someone. A driving rehab specialist, a therapist, or a program focused on anxious drivers could really help. There's no shame in needing support. You're not broken. You just need some tools.
Final thought. Driving anxiety doesn't mean you're a bad driver. It means you're human, and you're learning something new that involves risk, responsibility, and independence. Be patient with yourself. You've got this. 1 mile at a time.